Singsang Chai Chai Leho. I am Dachelle Alforti. I came from Paligi, Aguni, Davao del Sur, Philippines. I am 39 years old. I am single mom. I have 2 children. My son is 13 years old and my daughter is 16 years old. I am a high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, reading a book, dancing, singing, but my voice is not good, but I love to sing. My expertise are taking care of the newborn baby, taking care of the kids, and taking care of the elderly person. I have work experience in Kuwait last May 2015 to November 2017 finished contract. I served 1 couple, 1 12 years old boy, and newborn baby. My main duties are taking care of the newborn baby, ironing, and cleaning. I have also work experience in Hong Kong last September 2018 to September 2020 finished contract. I served 1 couple, 1 7 years old boy, and 1 5 years old daughter. My main duties are cleaning, ironing, marketing, cooking, and sometimes I go to the school with the kids. I have also work experience in Hong Kong last September 2020 to August 2023. I served 1 couple and 13 years old boy and 17 years old girl. My main duties are cleaning, ironing, marketing, and sometimes I go to the school with the 13 years old boy. I want to go back to work in Hong Kong for my family and for the future of my children. I want also to take care of the newborn baby and take care of the elderly person. I can sing like, Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags falls. 1 for the master and 1 for the dean. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. To my future employer, ma'am, sir, if you hire me as your domestic helper in your home, I am loyal, honest, trustworthy, hardworking, and a happy person. Also, I promise to do my duties and responsibilities to work in your home as a domestic helper. Thank you, ma'am and sir. I'm looking forward to work in your home as soon as possible. Good day, ma'am and sir.